reflecting on life, late drive through city streets. Words are meaningless compared to what your actions speak. I sit and often wonder what I meant to be. In spite of me, my shortcomings, I run.
GoPro, stop recording.
And then aiming to see the wider scene. Yeah, something like beyond the minor leagues. I guess life is what you make of it and what you see or how you see it's all about perspective. Hands down, play a major set, C, E, G when you playing keys. On the scale when my heart is heavy. In between the 5 lines, walking on fine lines. But sometimes we celebrate, throw up confetti and W's for victories, cause we the winning team. And I don't mean CM, but those who dream, who are we really? Few dudes with God-given gifts who have vision and spit till we split. Risking all with big wishes, we working to make it happen. They chilling and smoking switches, it's funny.
I see visions of nightmares living right there. Time keeps slipping, I can't figure it out. Wait till it all comes down.
Yeah, really reflecting on life and where I'm at now. Marry, family, work, music, life, it's a lot, wow. Never back down, the team strong. La familia, cause we dreaming ourselves empty, that's the theme song. Homie exile, even after the summer. Word of advice, don't slumber and strive for hunger. Look past the past and the ones who doubt and keep vision. Many don't understand and criticize your decision. Play your position, keep warning before collisions. Key in ignition, pedal down for competition. Remember to stay humble, that pride get to your head. The further you get ahead in your heart, better come correct. Thank God for his provision, thank God for daily bread. Reflecting on our condition, realize we should be dead. Born today, gone tomorrow, it's the circle of life. Just wait till it all comes down.
I see visions of nightmares living right there. Time keeps slipping, I can't figure it out. Till it all comes down. Wait till it all comes down.
Up again, and your life is not defined by what you make it spend. Feel the adrenaline, cause I'm waiting for the end. To when all is made new, and then again. Really, we live it here and now. Make every moment count, cause we'll be gone before you know it. What's it all about? Your life purpose, blessings or curses. I feel the burden, my brother's hurting. So, how could I write something that's dope enough? Spoken words to provoke a thought or touch your heart. Mind, body, and soul through written works of art. Even when worlds apart, make it through floods when your world's apart like Noah's Ark. Or stand through chaos like Rosa Parks. For what you believe in, purpose and meaning, that's why you breathing. We will conquer, we will make it. You feel forsaken, the circle continues reciprocating.
Wait till it all comes down. Wait till it all comes down.
GoPro, stop recording.